Welcome to Mardi Gras in New Orleans. Thinking about a trip to Mardi Gras in New Orleans? Awesome! Here's a guide to help you have the best time. We'll explore this amazing celebration, its history, what it means to people, and of course how to enjoy it like a pro. Remember, Mardi Gras is more than a party, it's something special. You can't go to Mardi Gras without knowing when it is. Fat Tuesday, the biggest day. But don't just come for Fat Tuesday. The fun starts about 2 weeks before with parades and parties, especially the weekend before the big day. You'll want to be there for a few days before Fat Tuesday to really enjoy everything. Let's talk about getting to the party. My advice? Book your flights early. You'll get better prices and have more choices for places to stay. You'll fly into Louis Armstrong New Orleans International Airport. From there you have options, airport shuttles, ride-sharing apps, or even the bus or streetcar. If you're driving, check with your hotel about parking, because it can be tough during Mardi Gras. There are also park and ride options. Once you're settled, use New Orleans streetcars and walk around. Walking lets you find hidden gems and feel the city's energy. Okay, let's find you a place to sleep after a long day of fun. For first-timers, I recommend the French Quarter. It's right where everything happens, with music and parades everywhere. But remember, the French Quarter is also the busiest and loudest part of town. If you want some quiet after the party, consider the Garden District or Uptown. These areas are more residential with pretty houses and cafes. For a trendy and artsy vibe near the action, try the Marigny and Bywater. They mix history and cool vibes. Budget travelers, don't worry. Hostels, Airbnbs, or staying with friends can be great ways to save money. Now for the main event, the parades. Mardi Gras parades are amazing. Some famous cruise parade groups include Endymion, known for its fancy floats and celebrities, Bacchus, famous for its cool throws, and Zulu, a historic crew with its coconut throws. And don't miss the Rex Parade on Fat Tuesday itself. It's super fancy and traditional. Mardi Gras is more than just parades. Bourbon Street is a party all day and night. For music, go to Frenchmen Street, where jazz clubs are hopping. And see the Mardi Gras Indians in their amazing beaded suits. They're real works of art. Let's talk about how to see these parades. First, arrive early. It gets crowded fast. Bring folding chairs, especially if you're with older people or kids. Pack snacks and drinks, and a bag to collect all the throws. Speaking of throws, get ready to catch beads, doubloons, and maybe even a coconut. With family? Head uptown. It's less crowded and more relaxed. For a local experience, look for ladders along the parade route. Families often use them to give kids a great view. You might think Mardi Gras is expensive. It doesn't have to be. New Orleans has amazing food, and you can enjoy it without spending a lot. Try po' boys, gumbo, and beignets. For drinks, skip the fancy bars and go to a local store. You'll save money. The parades are free, so you can enjoy the best part of Mardi Gras for nothing. Take free walking tours of the French Quarter to learn about history and architecture. Remember, Mardi Gras is a celebration with traditions. Let's talk about being respectful so everyone has fun. Never cross parade barricades or climb on floats. It's dangerous and disrupts the parade. Treat the Mardi Gras Indians and their costumes with respect. These suits take hours to make and are important to their culture. Be careful with your things, especially in crowds. Keep valuables safe and watch your surroundings. Before you go, let's make sure you have everything you need. Comfortable shoes are essential. You'll be walking, dancing, and standing a lot. Bring a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. You can often refill it, which saves money and helps the environment. Now for the fun part, your clothes. Mardi Gras is about dressing up and having fun. Pack colorful clothes, costumes, hats, wigs, anything. Don't forget beads. Be ready for any weather. New Orleans in February or March can be unpredictable. Pack layers and a rain jacket. There you have it, your guide to Mardi Gras in New Orleans. Remember, it's about enjoying the joy, the music, the culture, and letting the good times roll. Plan your trip, pack your bags, and get ready for an amazing time. Please like, comment, and share our videos. Subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next video.